Concentration unlocked. Power up your study game with top strategies. Hey there, and a big welcome to our awesome channel. Today, we've got something super exciting for you. Ever felt like studying is a drag? Or maybe you find it hard to remember what you've learned? Well, you're in the right place because we're about to make studying a breeze. First things first, let's talk about your study space. You know, that place where magic happens. Clear out the clutter, get rid of those distractions, and make your space as neat as a new pin. Trust me, a tidy space is like a tidy mind. It keeps you sharp and ready to conquer those books. Now, before you hit the books, let's set some cool goals. Break down your study time into bite-sized pieces. Today, you might tackle a chapter or master a tricky concept. Setting these mini goals is like having a treasure map. It guides you to your treasure, knowledge. Okay, ready to amp up your learning? Say goodbye to just reading passively. It's time to play an active role in your learning journey. Summarize stuff in your own words, teach your imaginary friend, or make some snazzy flashcards. These are your tools to lock that knowledge in your brain. And here's a secret. Taking breaks is actually a superpower in studying. Every now and then, stand up, stretch, munch on a snack, or just chill. These little breaks are like hitting the refresh button on your brain, so when you get back, you're full of energy and ready to roll. Ever heard of the Pomodoro technique? It's this cool trick where you study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Do this 4 times and then take a longer break. It's like interval training, but for your brain. It keeps you sharp and helps you focus like a laser. By using these super study techniques, you're going to see your concentration shoot up and your learning skyrocket. Remember, organize your space, set those goals, get active with your learning, take smart breaks, and use the Pomodoro technique like a boss. We really hope this pumps you up for your study sessions. Thanks for tuning in, Studying Machines, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips to make learning fun and effective. Keep being awesome. Until next time.